And welcome back to a brand new video. And what a nice day it is today in Blackpool. You got a bit of a breeze but nothing too major, and it is looking quite busy on the promenade today, so I don't have a little wander down the promenade and see what is the latest happening with the Blackpool court demolition. And also I heard a bit of news about up that way, so when we get up there I'll speak more about it. Got a couple of people on the common carpet today enjoying a bit of sun. It is still class of winter until the end of the month, and then that when the spring season sort rolling in. But today you wouldn't even thought it was winter with this weather. We got an ambulance going up the promenade, so I wonder what is happening there. But yeah, just coming to the front of Blackpool Tower. And it looked like they're cleaning the wind protectors. Just across from Sea Life now, and if you're wondering what type of things they got in Sea Life, then I do have a video on my channel where I went into Sea Life a couple of weeks ago, so it's quite up to date. And we're in March now, and these statues, RCC is still standing on Blackpool Promenade. So I don't know when these getting moved, or if they ever don't get moved at this stage. But yeah, they've been here for 3 months now. And it looked like they're moving closer and closer to the steps now. You can see it coming out, it all in full swing down on the demolition of Blackpool courts today. The sun's shining and the workman is working away. Right, just came on top of the bridge, as I could say, where everyone else seemed to come, away from all the banging and vibrations. But they do have a machine down there recording all that, probably so then they don't go over the regulations and stuff like that. Then I've done quite a bit of work so far here. As you can see, like the full half, like from length, are pretty much gone, and they're getting deeper and deeper into the courts. By the time you know it, they'll be on the creamer courts by the time you know it. But the next word there, the joke shop on Central Drive, is meant to be next. I'm meant to be starting there on Monday. So you want to see the updates on the joke shop demolition, then please hit that subscribe button, and I'll come down and try to cover as much as I can on that one also. And I do believe all this on Central Drive, right next to the joke shop, also coming down as well as part of the deal. But we're just coming up to the joke shop. The House of Jokes, as I call it, the joke shop. This is meant to be getting demolished starting Monday. And this had moved up to South Shore. So when the joke shop is coming down, something about they will need to block up the road. But I suppose the joke shop is pretty much right on the pavement, so it'll make sense to block up the road for a little while, hopefully not too long, to slow traffic up just before we start heading into the season a bit more. So I don't know what's happening, but there were high police presence outside the Black Box Cinema. So I don't know what's happening there. But let's head into the town bit, maybe next to the St John's Square, and see what is happening in town on this nice sunny day. Just came to South King Street, and many of you will know this was the other building what got demolished not long ago. Now it does a bit of tarmac, but it is all fenced up, so I wonder what they'll be taking this place right here on South King Street. It looked like they added some kind of gate here, so of course cars can't get through, but they need to get through. They can get through to the bit of land, but you've got a nice little gap just in between the woods, so you can just park a vehicle on there. And that is just literally right behind the new government building. Right then guys, hope you enjoyed that video. You did, then give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos of Blackpool and surrounding areas, hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any upcoming videos, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.